Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your go-to guy for all things crypto drops and smart plays. If you're anything like me, you've been stacking those BNB rewards in simple earn, just waiting for the next big unlock. Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into something that's got the whole Binance community buzzing: the launch of DoubleZero, or 2Z, as the 48th project on their hodler airdrops. This isn't just another token, it's a game changer for blockchain speed and decentralized networks. And if you held BNB the right way last week, you might already be sitting on free tokens. Let's break it down step by step, keep it real, and see why this could be your next portfolio booster. First off, a quick shout out to the basics, because I know not everyone's knee-deep in the weeds like we are. DoubleZero is this high-performance global network built from independently contributed links. Think of it like a turbocharged backbone for blockchains and distributed systems. It's purpose-built to handle the insane demands of Web3, making transactions faster, more secure, and scalable without the usual bottlenecks. And get this, just days ago, they snagged a massive win with a no-action letter from the SEC, basically greenlighting their 2Z token as pure utility, not a security. That's huge. It's like the regulators giving it a thumbs up, which means less drama and more adoption potential down the line. In a space full of regulatory headaches, this one's starting on solid ground. Now, the part that's probably got your notifications blowing up: the retroactive airdrop for BNB hodlers. If you subscribed your BNB to Simple Earn, whether flexible, locked, or even on-chain yields from September 26th at midnight UTC through September 28th at 11:59 p.m. UTC, congrats, you're in. Binance is dropping 35 million 2Z tokens straight to your spot account, all based on how much you had staked during that window. It's their way of rewarding the loyal grinders. And honestly, it's genius, keeps the ecosystem humming while slipping you freebies. The snapshot's already taken, so the details should hit your dashboard in about 24 hours from now, with tokens landing at least an hour before trading kicks off. If you missed it, don't sweat, there's always the next one. But man, these retro drops are why I never pull out of earned products early. Let's talk tokenomics real quick, because numbers don't lie, and this setup looks balanced for growth. Total supply caps at 10 billion 2Z, with another 5 million earmarked for marketing campaigns post-listing. To hype things up, at launch, circulating supply hits around 3.47 billion. That's about 34.7% of the total, so plenty of room for unlocks without flooding the market overnight. It's got that depin vibe, where 2Z fuels the network. Think staking for validators, rewarding bandwidth contributors, and powering payments or security features. No wild inflation promises here, just utility that could drive real demand as more projects plug into DoubleZero's infrastructure. Analysts are eyeing a debut around 5 cents to 10 cents, with some early volatility from airdrop claims. But if adoption kicks in, sky's the limit, especially with Binance's muscle behind it. Trading-wise, everything's lined up for today, October 2nd. Deposits open at 5 a.m. UTC, so if you've got 2Z from somewhere else, get it in early. Spot trading goes live at 1 p.m. UTC against USDT, USDC, BNB, FDUSD, and even tri-pairs, with a seed tag slapped on for that new project caution. Oh, and it'll pop up on Binance Alpha first for some exclusive action. Redeem those alpha points if you haven't, but once spot opens, it's off the showcase. Pro tip if you're feeling bold: Binance Futures is dropping 2 ZUSDT perps with up to 50x leverage right after, at 1:30 p.m. UTC. That's where the real action heats up. But remember, leverage is a double-edged sword. Trade what you can afford to swing. Look, I've been in this game long enough to know hype can fade fast. But DoubleZero feels different. It's not some meme coin riding a wave. It's infrastructure that blockchains actually need, backed by regulatory clarity and Binance's stamp of approval. If you're hodling BNB like I am, this is the kind of drop that makes the wait worthwhile. Free tokens turning into real value as the network grows. But hey, as always, this is just my take. DYOR, don't ape in blind, and never risk more than you can lose. Scams are everywhere outside Binance, so stick to official channels. If you snagged this airdrop, drop a comment below. How much BNB were you running in earn? Smash that like if you're excited for 2Z trading. Subscribe for more breakdowns like this, and hit the bell so you never miss a launch. What's your play? Hodl the airdrop or flip on day one? Let me know, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay safe out there, crypto fam. Peace.